Okay, here we are. I, Christabella Chocho, with our artist, Burundian artist, and international also, Kidumu. So we are here to talk about what he's going to do. So can you tell us what are you planning to do for this trip?
Okay, I've come all the way from South Africa to come here and celebrate my birthday. You know, I'm now 40 years old and I've been doing music since I was 10, so it's now 30 years of my career. So this is my big day, this is my big achievement to come here and celebrate with my fellow Burundians here in Burundi, in my motherland, my country, where I think people will understand very well that this is my starting point. This is where I started my career. This is where I was born. This is where everything started. So it is my occasion, my big event where I'm going to share with my fans my experience. 30 years is not less. It is something big. So the experience I've been going through in music career, it is too much. So I want on that day to come here and share with everyone.
Okay. Asking one more time for a brief biography about yourself.
Okay, I was born in 1974, 20th October. So you understand that October has passed. I started my birthday celebration in Nairobi, Kenya. Then I had other programs in South Africa. I had to go there and perform. So I took that opportunity to celebrate with my fans over there. And most of them were Burundians who live in South Africa. So my biography, if I say everything about what I went through in my career, it will take maybe 3 hours, but I will be very brief. At the age of 10, I started playing drums.
Okay.
Then at the age of 16, I started playing guitar and composing same time. At the age of 21, I fled. I went to Kenya as a refugee. At the age of 27, I came back in Burundi to perform at the stadium where the then president of Burundi, Pierre Buyoya, came to witness himself. Okay. How I put people together, which was something very difficult for politicians to achieve.
Through your songs?
Yeah, through my songs, my peace songs. And I became ambassador of peace.
Yes.
And I became same time ambassador of my country abroad. At the age of 32, I was everywhere performing in East Africa. So till now, it's been around 8 years performing, touring the whole East Africa, touring the world, going to countries like America, go there and perform for diaspora from this region.
Yes, and as we saw and heard, there is I don't know if it is an album which has many tracks with East African stars like Nameless, Juliana. Can you tell us about that thing?
Okay.
How it came in
It
your
was
mind?
strategical. I decided to do that album because I wanted to make a breakthrough in East Africa. You know, all those years I was only a musician from Burundi, but who was not known in Kenya. So I decided to start singing in Swahili as a strategy to make my breakthrough in East Africa music. So that was my strategy to start singing with East African stars so that I can get a big audience in my music.
Yes. So what was your last time when you were around in Bujumbura?
Okay, I normally come in Burundi many times, but the problem is I don't come in Burundi to perform sometimes. I come here for my private things, especially my family. You know, my mother's still here, my brothers and sisters are still here, so, and friends as well. Okay. And also other business. I have a construction which is going on in my plot where I got a small plot where I'm building my house for my retirement.
Wonderful. So is there anything new, like a song or you are bringing for?
Okay, of course. I have so many songs. Every day, I produce songs. That is what I'm doing in Nairobi. Every time, 24/7, I'm in music. For those who come in Nairobi, they can see me perform on from Tuesday till Sunday. I'm in business, so I have new songs every time. I have new songs.
So, like for these concerts which are being organized, you're having
this no need to focus on new songs. My main focus is the experience I've been having for 30 years.
Okay.
So I've come to share experience. If you are coming to share experience with other people, especially your fans, you don't focus on new stuff. You focus on what you have been doing all those 30 years.
I guess. So what are your targets in this coming new year of 2000?
My target is to conquer Africa, especially I will take my music from Indian Ocean to Atlantic Ocean. That is my main.
That's also
my main target.
So, if I may ask, so what is your best and the worst remembrance you had?
Okay, in music, I've traveled a lot. I've seated with kings. I've got so many friends. I've got so many things in music. That was very good. But the most very important thing I've got in music is family. I've got some biological children and other children I've helped. Okay. And now they have become men. They are in this business, becoming leaders in music.
Yes.
So that is something I say, I really thank to the Lord that this was my big achievement. I've got children biologically and other children I've got aside. In my career, I've made them who they are now, what they are. And some bad remembrance I have is that it was difficult to make things work in marriage in music. That was something I will tell everyone that it is difficult to be in marriage when you are a musician.
Oh.
Thank you.
So, what advice you can give to your fellow artists, Burundian, those who are having already a title and those who are still like underground?
Okay, music is hard, but it needs perseverance. You have to persevere. You have to be courageous. You have to have a focus in music. And it's good business when you know what you want. It's bad business when you are wasting time when you don't know what you want.
Okay. Then a last word to your people, to your fans, your country.
To my fans, I want them to come to Havana on Saturday to come and enjoy with me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.